Okay. Okay, so I got me and my girl Elizabeth here. She's pretty upset. I tried to put her in her cage, but she's too big. So she's gonna sit in the front seat with me, and we're gonna bring her up and put her in her brand new coop. Tomorrow we're getting 10 laying hens, so she's gonna have some company. We figured we'd get her in her coop tonight, get her, you know, a little bit comfortable before she gets bombarded with all these new chickens. Let's go. You think Elizabeth likes her new house?
Yeah.
What do you think, Elizabeth?
10 friends, unicorn, horsey, and Minecraft.
Are a unicorn, horsey, and Minecraft the name of the chickens we're gonna get?
No, maybe not Minecraft characters.
No, I don't like that.
Maybe unicorn chickens will be good or something.
Okay, that sounds fun.
And horsey ones or something.
Okay. Okay, see you, Elizabeth. In the morning. Okay. So we'll keep the door on until next time we have to clean. Field number 1.
Oh, bam.
They're really fast growers, so we'll get them. They do better with a good whippersnapper. So that right there is really what we're looking for when we're walking these lines. Down trees sitting on there, because when the electricity is running through these, if it hits a dead tree like this, since it's a single line, the electricity may stop or the current may get very, very weak. And if this current on this isn't enough to scare the cows, they could get out of the fields. So we're gonna get rid of this little bad boy right here. Just like that, all gone. Nice and cleared up. There's no electricity on here now. She's nice and free. We keep going. Some nice clay right there.
Yeah. Where? Where?
Right there. Well, they're old one from last year.
Prim.
And this is the top of field number 3. So how are the power lines looking?
I don't know.
They're nice and clean so far?
I'm so hot.
Oh.
There's a bit on my nose.
Yeah, there's a bug crawling in your nose. Get it out, use your finger. Yeah, pull it out. Jeez, I've never seen somebody so calm about somebody having a bug crawl up their nose.
I have to pass him. Daddy,
So we're growing the little art plant.
I was throwing a little teddy. Woohoo!
Art, what are you doing in that hay?
Wow, hey, it's so fun, Tart.
Are you a piggy? Are you playing with...
Daddy, please, can I get the pigs a little bit of the chicken food? Check it out.
No.
Milk. All of this stuff we can burn.
Hard-working lady.
There's the garbage we produced.
Well, I put them out just so we wouldn't forget, like something somebody can do. Maybe the kids want to start taking a look.
Okay, turn it this. Oh, wait.
How do you show somebody that you live in the country without telling them you live in the country? Look at this. Cows in my driveway.
Hey, cows.
Some nice looking cows. What's up, fellas?